Here's a list of unique wooden craft art forms from various cultures around the world. 1. Tree stump sculptures. Transform old tree stumps into whimsical creatures, abstract forms, or functional art like benches. 2. Nature-inspired figures. Carve animals, birds, or insects from reclaimed wood, capturing the essence of nature in a rustic style. 3. Wooden totems. Create totem poles that reflect personal stories, cultural heritage, or environmental themes using various wood pieces. 4. Abstract geometric shapes. Experiment with geometric forms, stacking or interlocking pieces of wood to create modern rustic sculptures. 5. Garden art. Design sculptures that enhance outdoor spaces, such as flowers, fairies, or mystical creatures, using weather-resistant wood. 6. Functional sculptures. Combine art and utility by crafting sculptures that also serve as furniture, such as artistic tables or chairs. 7. Wooden faces. Carve expressive faces or masks into pieces of wood, emphasizing natural textures and unique grain patterns. 8. Rustic wall art. Create three-dimensional wall hangings using reclaimed wood to form landscapes, trees, or abstract designs. 9. Sculptural wind chimes. Combine wood with metal or glass to make unique wind chimes that produce soothing sounds while adding visual interest. 10. Birdhouses and feeders. Design artistic birdhouses or feeders that can double as sculptures, incorporating fun shapes and vibrant colors. 11. Spiral or twisted forms. Carve spirals or twisted shapes that draw the eye upwards, creating a sense of movement and flow in the sculpture. 12. Driftwood creations. Use driftwood to create sculptures that reflect the beauty of nature, such as abstract forms or coastal scenes. 13. Celtic or tribal patterns. Incorporate traditional designs or carvings that reflect Celtic or tribal motifs into your wooden sculptures. 14. Wooden jewelry displays. Craft unique displays for handmade jewelry using rustic wood, combining art with functionality. Seasonal decor. Create sculptures that celebrate the seasons, such as snowmen in winter or flowers in spring, using natural wood materials. These ideas can serve as a starting point for your own creativity, allowing you to explore the beauty and versatility of wood in rustic sculpture. Enjoy the process. Here are additional inspiring ideas for creating rustic wooden sculptures. 16. Nature scene dioramas. Build small dioramas depicting forest scenes, complete with trees, animals, and natural elements using various wood pieces. 17. Wooden silhouettes. Create flat silhouettes of animals, people, or trees that can be mounted on walls or displayed in gardens. 18. Kinetic sculptures. Design sculptures that incorporate movement, such as spinning elements or balancing pieces that react to the wind. 19. Wooden clocks. Craft rustic wall or tabletop clocks using unique wooden shapes and textures, blending functionality with artistry. 20. Candle holders. Sculpt candle holders from wood, incorporating natural shapes and textures, perfect for adding ambience to any space. 21. Whimsical creatures. Carve and assemble fantastical creatures, such as fairies, gnomes, or mythical beings, using a mix of wood types and colors. 22. Artistic fences or gates. Design decorative wooden fences or garden gates that serve as both functional and artistic elements in outdoor spaces. 23. Rustic mirrors. Create a mirror frame from reclaimed wood, adding intricate carvings or natural textures to enhance its rustic charm. 24. Abstract wall installations. Assemble various wooden shapes and sizes into a large wall piece that plays with depth and shadow, creating a striking focal point. 25. Seasonal figures. Craft figures representing different seasons, like a snowman for winter or a scarecrow for autumn, using layered wood, these ideas can help you further explore the endless possibilities of rustic wooden sculpture, inviting creativity and personal expression into your projects. Enjoy crafting.